Hello, third grade teachers. I have been thinking a lot about fraction work and the best way that we can get our kids to have a strong foundation of fractions. So I came up with short, engaging fraction activities that you could do with your kids once a week. They only take 15 minutes, but it'll refresh their memories from what they did the year before, and it'll keep that knowledge fresh in their minds until we get to the fraction unit. Okay, cool. So here's what it would sound like. Students, I have a circle here, a whole circle, and I want to share it between two people. Turn and talk with your partner. How would you share this circle between the two of you? So they would turn, they would talk. They hopefully did this the year before, so they should have some understanding of what to do. So volunteers, you could have them come up in front and show everybody, but basically, they're going to say cut it in half or draw a line down the middle. Either way, they're going to come up with these two pieces. So another question I might ask is, how much did each person get? What do we name this amount? Okay, and so we'll hear, hopefully, if we don't hear the words, you can introduce them, but we'll hear the words 1/2, a half. Sometimes it's good for kids to see that in writing. It's kind of a fast vocabulary phrase. And then I might include the plural, halves. We have 2 halves here. So the kids understand that we have a number. How much? 1/2. And if you could have them discuss, why do you think we used a 1 and a 2 together to make a new number called 1/2? So we might hear, oh, well, there's 2 pieces and we each got 1 out of 2, assessing and seeing where your students are with that language. Follow up. Their turn to try. Students, let's see. Let's get yourselves in groups of 3 this time. I'm going to give you each a circle, so have lots of circles ready. I'm going to give you each of your group of 3 a circle, and I want you to discuss how you would share 3 pieces from the circle. So, depends on the kind of kids you have this year. Will this be an easy task, a hard task? Doesn't matter, but it's okay to give them a few minutes to grapple, and it's good to be listening then as a teacher. You can start to see if they need some support with cooperation or communication, or if they feel really confident in dividing up into 3 pieces, if they did any of that work last year, or if you're like, oh, they're getting frustrated. Especially if they're getting frustrated, I would bring them back together and say, oh my goodness, math is sometimes pretty hard, isn't it? And we struggle. And talk to them about when they do struggle, how to have a good attitude. So that's a good chance to do that. If you happen to have any students who are doing well, they could come up and demonstrate. You could cut apart. Okay, so how much did each person get? Oh, we got a third. All right, excellent. So, and I always like to find the center of the circle, and I like to teach the kids one of the ways you can come down like you're doing half, but then, with 3, there's somebody in the middle. There's a middle child, right? So we want to create a middle piece. So we split almost like a mountain or a tent, and that helps us get our thirds, and each piece is a third. You could even put the word form. So that's it. 15 minutes once a week, something very engaging, something that they all feel they can understand, and slowly but surely will build confidence and understanding. By the time we get to the fraction unit, they're going to be ready to go. This could also be an online lesson if that's what our education looks like in the near future. So just plan ahead a little bit and have the students be creative in coming to an online learning session with a paper circle. It could be something that they had to trace, like go find something with a circle, a bowl, a plate, and trace your circle. Ask for parents' help for cutting it out. Maybe find a paper plate. Those kind of creative ideas to do online, and we can still have that inquiry-based learning. So, this is activity 1. check out activity 2 on my next video where we follow up with this and the kids get to play with fourths and sixths. Alright, thanks for watching.